Welcome to Roam Tips. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Spark, found at www.spark.co.nz, is a telecommunications company based in New Zealand. Offering a wide array of services, Spark provides mobile phone plans, broadband internet, and landline connections for both residential and business customers. Their website serves as a comprehensive hub for managing accounts, exploring available plans, and troubleshooting technical issues. Customers can compare various mobile packages, tailoring their choices to specific data allowances, call minutes, and international roaming options. For those seeking internet connectivity, Spark offers fiber, ADSL, and VDSL broadband, with speeds and pricing varying depending on location and availability. In addition to core communication services, Spark also provides a selection of digital entertainment options, including streaming television and music services. The website also features a support section with FAQs, tutorials, and contact information for assistance. Spark aims to provide innovative communication solutions for the evolving needs of New Zealanders, constantly updating their offerings to keep pace with technological advancements. They also offer bundled packages, allowing customers to combine multiple services for potential cost savings. Business clients can find tailored solutions for their communication needs, ranging from dedicated internet connections to cloud-based phone systems. Spark's online presence makes it easy to manage accounts, pay bills, and access support resources. Their commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in their user-friendly website and readily available assistance options. They strive to be a one-stop shop for all communication needs in the digital age. With a nationwide network and a focus on innovation, Spark continues to play a significant role in connecting New Zealand. They also offer a range of mobile devices for purchase, including the latest smartphones and tablets. Customers can explore various financing options and trade-in programs when upgrading their devices. Spark also emphasizes its commitment to community initiatives and sustainable practices, further solidifying its position as a prominent telecommunications provider in New Zealand.